Welcome back, friends. The following portion of the show is sponsored by LDT LLC.
Take a look. Hey everyone, we're at Transitions Indy, located inside of the pyramids on the northwest side, and today we're learning about laser hair therapy, so let's check it out. Oh wow, looks so nice in here. Yes, let's do it. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. So just tried the laser hair therapy treatment. Really cool to check it out. And now I'm hanging out with the director here, Will Sadler, our friend. Great to see you, Will.
So great to see you too. How was it?
It was really cool. I didn't feel anything. And it was a nice opportunity to just relax and catch up on emails.
There you go. That's awesome. No, it's one of the great things about that treatment is with the laser hair therapy is that it is minimally invasive.
Yeah.
I mean, people come in and they're like, is this actually doing something?
Right.
And it really is. That's one of the great things about it.
I'd love to learn a little bit more about that science. How does this work?
So we know that with hair loss, it can be from a variety of different things, whether it be hormonal, genetic, medically related. Again, it can come from any little kind of nook or cranny, if you will, right? But we know one thing for sure is that the cells within the follicle are becoming damaged, right? So as they are becoming damaged, then the hair follicle will weaken. So what we're trying to do is promote more stimulation to the follicles themselves and to the scalp. So lasers help with reducing inflammation, promoting more blood flow. It actually, the energy from the laser itself will stimulate the cells to become stronger and basically supplement in what it's missing.
Wow, that's really interesting to learn about. And I know more and more we're hearing about how the health of our scalp is where it all starts, and you can assess that as well.
Yeah, so the first step with everything, right, before deciding whether lasers are the right option or platelet-rich plasma or hair transplants, right, it's to find out and kind of assess to see what the root cause of this is. So with our scalp, hair and scalp analysis, you know, that's where we're going to be able to see what exactly is going on and seeing, okay, this option is going to be better versus another one, because at the end of the day, this is not a cookie-cutter approach. What's right for one person doesn't mean it's going to be right for the next.
So true. Speaking of which, you have so many options for treatment, and I know you touched on some of them, but what are some of those treatment options?
So with the laser therapy, those are the FDA-approved options. You know, platelet-rich plasmas, utilizing your body's own healing properties to help with stimulating the follicles to become stronger. Hair transplants replace the hair that you have lost. And there's also non-surgical hair replacement, which is for some people that have more advanced loss that really want to get that look factor, right?
Yeah,
so there's different pharmaceutical grade products that we use. So it's really, it can be a singular treatments, it can be in tandem. There's a lot of different ways that you can kind of customize this to be right for each person.
Yeah, and one of the things that I love about your story is when you have someone come in here, you can relate to them. And a lot of your staff can do that too.
Well, this is an emotional thing to go through as much as it is a physical thing, right? I mean, there's a certain part of, you know, the way that you look is not always the way that you necessarily feel on the inside. So having those things be able to resonate with and connect again, right, is really important. That's a big thing for me, is that when I looked in the mirror, I didn't look the way that I felt. So I was able to get a hair transplant done, and here we are today, you know, 8 years later, which is amazing.
And your hair looks amazing.
Thank you.
Yes.
You as well.
Thank you. Well, I have loved learning more about this, and this could be the perfect time for someone to try the laser hair treatment because there's a promotion going on too.
So with everyone that gets started with the treatments, we do have 2 weeks of lasers for free. So we'd love to be able to help out each and every person that would be interested.
Well, thank you so much for showing us more about it.
Yeah.
I know we've got the website, we've got the phone number. If you want to check in and talk to Will and his team, you can see what treatment might be best for you. And I really appreciate learning more.
No, it's my pleasure. So good having you here.
Thank you, Will.
It's my pleasure.
The preceding portion of Indy Now is sponsored by LDT LLC.
That's right.